Madam, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Please, may I know your name?
My name is
Your
Mrs.
full name?
Onyinye Nwoke.
Mrs.
Onyinye Nwoke.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, you are an occupant here,
Yes,
occupant of
please.
this building.
Yeah.
Is it your personal house or are
No,
you?
no, it's on rent.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, if you take a look behind you,
Yeah.
there is a plant,
Yes.
stems of a particular plant. What is it?
It's called marijuana.
It's called what?
Marijuana.
Marijuana.
Yeah.
Who planted them?
I did.
You did. Why?
I brew it and I take.
Are you aware of the position of the law concerning this very plant?
Well, I know what I know about it is that well, maybe what I have here is for those that smoke it.
Then
So I don't know.
why did you? What is the motive behind you planting it?
It's good for pain. It's good. It relaxes you because the truth is that
Medically
yes,
approved
medically.
by
No,
who?
no, it was not. It was something I actually browsed, and I just felt if I knew it was not legal to plant like this, I would not do it and expose it. And maybe I would have been doing it in a hidden way. But I also have other things here that I also planted, so I just felt it was okay because I also don't smoke.
So what is the medical value of it?
It's very, very good for pain. It's very good for pain. Marijuana oils are being sold.
For how long have you been planting this thing, this compound?
This is 2 years.
And what do you have to say about the seeds discovered from the store there?
You know, the seeds are when you come out like the way I have also have my pumpkin seeds and my seeds of for my okay for other plant side.
Turn it. Let me just see.
Okay.
Turn it. So these are seeds,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Seeds of Indian hemp.
Yes.
Okay.
So the seeds can also be blended and added to your hemp.
Okay.
Yes.
So we have heard you. Thank you very much.